G'day! So I've just had a fresh fire up of this brand new Lenovo laptop, and I've got this coming up every time. mcreboot. McAfee. So if you're experiencing this coming up every time you turn the computer on, right click, go to install apps, and if I have a look here on this list, we're probably going to see McAfee. I'm going to uninstall McAfee off here. Yes. No. Removing. And I'm pretty confident next time I restart this computer, that file should be gone. Now using stock Windows security, which I find personally more than enough. This is essentially what I would classify as bloatware. It's unwanted software on a brand new machine. Some people also classify it as malware, which is also unwanted software. But I believe if we restart it, go restart now, the laptop should restart, and that box that keeps popping up every time the computer turns on should be gone. Bit disappointing that it's a brand new machine, first power on, and it's coming up with that folder. Now this is an OLED screen, so right now we have complete darkness, but we're still on. There we go, now we're starting back up once more. Starting Windows. And we should almost be good to go in 1 minute. Hopefully quicker. Come on, come on. Lenovo. Computer started. Oh, pesky bugger. We're still here. That does look to be an INK, which is, I believe, a link file. Let's see what else we can find. Weirdly, I couldn't find anything further. So if I go here, we're in Startup. Tap on Startup. So we're in Programs, Startup, and this folder is set in there. If I delete that folder as well, continue. There's now nothing on Startup, so it's not going to try and load that link file. Now if I restart the computer, we should be good. We've restarted one more time, or more accurately, we're now on the second restart, and that INK file is gone. Hope that helps you, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.